Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, where passion meets performance. Today, we're rolling out our detailed review of the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a bike that's redefining what it means to ride in comfort and style. Designed with versatility in mind, the Vulcan S is not your traditional cruiser. It's a modern blend of sport bike DNA and cruiser ergonomics. Right from the front, the Vulcan S stands out. Its unique headlamp, compact cowl, and low stance give it an aggressive street presence. Moving along the side, the slim profile is highlighted by a sharp tank design and trellis-style frame that peeks through the bodywork. The sloping rear and minimalist tail section flow beautifully with the bike's overall design, and the LED taillight adds a sleek finishing touch. Under the tank, the Vulcan S houses a 649cc parallel twin engine derived from Kawasaki's Ninja 650. It's tuned specifically for smoother power delivery and more torque at low RPMs, making it perfect for relaxed cruising or spirited city riding. The liquid cooling and fuel injection ensure reliable performance and consistent throttle response, no matter the conditions. On the road, the Vulcan S is surprisingly agile for a cruiser. The low-slung seat, wide handlebars, and light clutch feel make it incredibly accessible to all riders, while the adjustable foot pegs and seat height customization allow for a more tailored fit. It accelerates confidently, handles corners with poise, and maintains stability even at higher speeds. Braking is strong and predictable, thanks to the ABS-equipped disc brakes front and rear. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Vulcan S starts at approximately $7,899, positioning it as one of the best value options in its segment. It's available in multiple color options, with optional touring accessories if you're looking to stretch those long weekend rides. That's a wrap on our ride with the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S. If you're looking for a cruiser with personality, performance, and practicality, this might just be your next bike. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed motorcycle reviews, only here on Global Bike Buzz. Ride safe and we'll see you next time.